What is going on, good people? This is Cam with Elevated Lawnscapes, and we are back at it out here in the yard again. So in this video, I'm gonna be addressing something that I have caught a little bit of slack for in my videos from a couple people that have seen the lawn and have commented. So as you can see, my edges going down my sidewalk, they're not the crisp. The reason for that is it is slightly intentional, just a little bit. So what I like to do is early in the season, I like to allow my edges to get a little overgrown because during the summertime, your edges are going to take a beating from all the heat that is going to be held in the concrete. Those areas are going to get the hottest out of anywhere else in your lawn. Those edges are going to struggle. They're going to be the first to dry out, and they're going to be suffering from not having enough moisture. So to combat that, I like to get those edges as thick as possible early in the season and drive those roots as deep as possible to give those edges the best chances possible to be able to survive when those summer stresses come. So in this video, I've actually picked up a new tool. We're going to run it through its paces and give a quick review on it, my initial thoughts on this tool and how it works out. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this is gonna be the initial unboxing of this new tool. And as you can see, I have picked up the Echo 225, and this is the VP version. Which the reason that is because it actually comes with the PAS 225 series unit. And it also comes with the edger, which is the curved edger and not the straight shaft. And it also comes with the straight shaft trimmer head. So you get both of those together. The pricing on it was definitely better in buying it as this kit rather than buying the straight shaft trimmer and the straight shaft edger separately. So if you're interested in it, just kind of make sure that you look at it from a price standpoint. This is a better pricing standpoint if you can deal with the curved edger. This is the curved edger. It is not the straight shaft. The straight shaft one just comes up. To me, I don't think it really makes very much of a difference to me. And then we've got the unit. You can buy all of these separately, and you can get them with all the other attachments that go along with it. There is a larger commercial version of this head. I just went with the 225. Reviews on it say it is a highly reliable, plenty of power for what the average homeowner would need. A little underpowered possibly for a commercial application if you were going to continuously be using it, and maybe you need a little extra power, but for some higher overgrown stuff. But for a well-maintained home lawn, Echo should be good enough. All right, I'm gonna get this put together. Shouldn't be too much to it, and we'll get ready to fire this thing up. I've got some new string that I'm gonna be trying out that I just picked up from Lowe's. Just a double twisted strand that is a little bit thicker than what originally came in it. So looking to get that sharper cut on there. So one thing that I can say, the instructions that came with this doesn't even address the trimmer which comes in the kit. But good thing I can kind of sort of figure out what I've got going. It's got two arrows on the front and back that you just align clicks in place, and then you can actually see all the way through. Just grab your string, push it through. Make sure your string is actually straight and you actually push it straight through, and it works. So now you've got your string ready to go on both ends. It should be good enough for me. I probably won't use very much. And then you just wind it up. Then I'll get the edges about even. Done, good to go. And it is a counterclockwise thread, by the way, which I just figured out. The weight feels pretty good. Not too heavy, not too light. I mean, it seems like it's just the right. Seems like it's pretty maneuverable. I actually like the length of the shaft that's on there. It's very comfortable for my height. So yeah, that's a really good height. It's pretty comfortable where the handles and everything is. I'm liking this, I'm liking it. Look how thick it's standing. Now this is the reason why I allow my edges to get overgrown. Nice, thick, crisp all the way to the edge. That's what you're looking for. All right, y'all, so that is gonna wrap it up for this one. One thing that I can say, my final thoughts, I can understand why the commercial and full-time grass cutting guys say that's a little underpowered for them, because if you're cutting like some really thick stuff, I could see where it would be a little underpowered. But for the average homeowner, I don't think it'll be any issue for anything that you throw at it out there in your lawn. I think that it's pretty balanced as far as weight, much better than the one that I previously had. The balance is good, weight is good. The pull, like you said, well, you saw it when I first started it. It only took me maybe 4 or 5 pulls first start. And since then, I've only had to pull the string one time and it started every time. So outside of that, starts easy, balance, nice weight. Power is good for homeowners. I would say if you are commercial guy, maybe a little underpowered for you, but if you're maintaining your lawns on the regular, shouldn't be any problem. I don't think as far as the edger's good, trimmer's good. No other comments from me. I think that's my opinion on it. Like I said, it is a better buy to buy it in that kit if you need a edger and a trimmer also. So take that into consideration while you're thinking about making the purchase if you decide to go with an Echo. So as I always say, if you're striving to have those immaculate lawns or gardens, just know we working.